You're going to see an unboxing of this watercolor paint set. In the box, you actually get a couple different size brushes. You get these big brushes right here. You get 2 of these size brushes right here. And then what looks like 3 of the same size brushes isn't totally accurate because this one is a little bit shorter than these 2. So you get a ton of different size brushes right here. Then you also get this, which is kind of like a pencil that you can fill with your watercolor paint. And this is kind of a brush too. You get a pencil sharpener, and an eraser, and then you get the sponge. For the actual watercolor set, it comes with these instructions, this little mixing tray, and then you also get this little card which has the same amount of squares as there are colors here. And then these are all the colors, so you actually get a good amount of colors that you can use to paint anything you want. The little paint blocks are actually locked in a little bit. There are a lot of colors here. There are actually 100, which is part of the reason why I picked this up, because you can create and mix a ton of colors and you have all the primary colors here, so you're all set. This box is also this thin aluminum, so you don't have to worry about your paints getting damaged or smushed, because you can see it is pretty reset, so they are pretty protected in this box here, and it locks. Because your paintbrushes are going to get wet, I kind of wish it came with a sleeve to put your brushes in, but you can easily add your own, have a cup holder, something like that to easily stash away your brushes. Here is a quick look at the box if you want to pause to sort of read some information. And then you also get this card, which you can pause if you want to read the information here as well. This watercolor set is actually good for people of all ages. If you can hold a paintbrush, you can use these watercolors. I'm excited to give this to my toddler and then let them play around and explore what they can make, but I'm also excited to use this for myself. I hope you found this unboxing and sort of walkthrough of this watercolor set helpful, and thanks for watching.